I love to craft. And if you guys like to craft too, or if you like to decorate your house for spring or the holidays, then you might enjoy some of my crafts too, and we could share and do them together. One of the things I'm doing right now is making some garland to go over my shower curtain, you know, just to hang it. I've got some thick string, and I usually use some garden twine, but I'm out of twine right now, so I thought this might work. And what I did is I took an old shirt that I had from an old project, and then that I didn't like the collar up around my neck so tight. So what I did is I made an egg template, and then I took a little piece of cardboard and cut it out of here. You can see it right here. And then what I did is I laid it on the t-shirt and just traced some egg shapes around it. And they were double, so I got 2 pieces. And I just used this pencil. Here, I'll do one right now, because I need about 13 of them. And I had some fat quarter squares in blue, and I cut out 6 of those. Well, 12 altogether because they're double. So there's 6 of those, and I've got 6 of the pink. And I was thinking about maybe doing one in another color just for the middle. I thought about, let me come closer so you can see these. I thought these were really cute fat quarters. Little cupcakes with the blue and the pink. And then I like this one too. Just springy. And then this one is another cupcake one. I think that tells you something about me. But let's see if you can see these together with these. See how well those go? And then this one has both the blue and the pink. And then this one too. And I was thinking about doing just one of these other ones in the middle. But then I thought, oh, maybe it'll be too busy. I don't know. So I'm just going to do a pink one right now, and then we'll see. I can always change it if I don't like it. So I'm using my egg template that I made. And if I put it this way, I'll waste less. I hate to waste stuff. So I'm just tracing the egg pattern onto the t-shirt. You could use old t-shirts or jeans. I've made a lot of things out of jeans using denim, because denim material can be really expensive, and when you wear out a pair of jeans, what are you going to do with them? So there you can see that I've got the, I don't know how you can see, but let me come closer. You can see the egg template on there. And I'm just going to cut it out. I like to save the little pieces of the cardboard that come in the fat quarter squares, because you can use those for projects too. I have been on a blog called, well, I'm the Green Queen on it, because I always like to, it's an eco-friendly blog, and I like to reuse things. I guess it's growing up in a family with 9 kids. You know, you hate to waste anything. We didn't have much growing up, so we used everything. And Mom was sustainable before sustainable was even known. Before, I never even knew the word really until later in life. But Mom reused everything, and I think that's where I learned it. She'd always say, waste not, want not. And so when you have it folded over, then you get 2 pieces at once. Let me show you. And then when you go to sew them, you just put the string in between them. So kind of lay it out to look at it. What I'm thinking of is like doing 1 pink, 1 blue, 1 pink. This one you can see the pencil mark a little bit, so I'm going to flip it over. And then I'll put the string in between it and sew it. And you got to leave a little bit of a edge. So you want to make your, if you're going to do eggs, you want to make them big enough to leave a little seam allowance around the edge. So remember that. And so make a little more room. I have a couple projects I'm working on here. It doesn't have to be too long because it's just going over the shower curtain, but about 13 is right because I make different garlands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. This is a self-healing mat, so when you cut on it, you don't cut into your table, which is easy to do, even if you try not to. So there's all 13 of them. And what I'm going to do is just put the string in between it. And then I'll leave a little opening so I can stuff these. I want them to be a little poofy, so you notice them more. And yesterday what I did is I took some curtains and hemmed them and made little openings for the shower curtain hangers. And I put those up in the bathroom, and I really like how those turned out. So first I'm just going to make a little loop at the end because you've got to start it on one of the hangers. And so I just want to make a little knot. I'm going to just do it a couple times because sometimes the shower curtain gets shoved around our house, and I want to make sure it's sturdy. Okay. And I've just got a big spool of heavy-duty thread or string, whatever you want to call it. And just put it in between so that it's about the same, in the same spot for each of them, because you want them to hang kind of evenly. And then if you're interested, just keep watching. I'll speed up the sewing process so it doesn't take too long, and then I'll come back. Now I have the eggs all sewed, except for I left a little opening on each one to stuff them. And I've just got some polyfill that I just have around the house because I love to craft. And so I'm just going to stuff the little eggs and then sew them up again. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm just going to take a little bit of the stuffing, and I've got a little bamboo skewer that I use for like shish kebabs in the summer because it's my handy dandy tool and I use it for a lot of stuff. And then I'm just opening up the little opening here. And probably the best thing is to double stitch right at the opening because you don't want to rip it open. And then I'm going to poke it in with my finger, and if I can't get it all the way in, I'll use the skewer. So I'm all done with my garland. Let me see see if I can stand up and show you. And I'm going to go hang it on the shower, and I'll come back and grab the camera and show you. Okay, so there you have it. There's the garland. It's my Easter Egg Garland on my shower curtain that I adapted from a regular curtain, and I just stitched up the bottom and made the holes in the top, and I'm pretty pleased with how it looks. I think it turned out cute, and I just have to now adjust my little boa. I want it not to be the shamrock green that I had. I want to do a new ribbon. So I'm going to do that, change that out. But I think it turned out really cute. And I'm just going to back away so you can see it. I think it's a nice little decoration and made from an old t-shirt. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little craft of making an Easter egg garland to go over my shower. I think it just adds a little touch of Easter and the holidays, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a simple craft you can make with just using an old t-shirt or some fabric. You could use denim jeans. I just think it's a fun little craft and super simple, and all you need is the little egg template, which I don't know where I put that right now, but just an egg template, and cut out the eggs, and about 13 of them went across my shower doing a draped garland. And if you're interested in other crafts, I have a bunch of other crafts I have sitting around here that I'm going to work on. So if you're interested, then please click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload another video. And if you enjoyed this craft, then give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed it, and even if you don't come back, I want you and your family to have a very happy spring, and if you celebrate Easter, a wonderful Easter. So thanks for watching. Bye!